It's curly, huh?
No.
It's curlier than yours.
I blow dried mine. Blow dried.
You honestly look like a gummy bear right now. I could seriously clean my ears out with your head.
You are so rude.
How do you get to the camera feature? I need to send this to my fan club.
Did you put stuff in your hair? Or you just
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Then I scrunched it.
Okay.
It doesn't capture all the pretty.
Oh my god.
It's like I need it to be able to be like... Man. People don't understand how hard it is to be this pretty. I try to tell them, but... People have all the luck. I'm gonna moon you and then you're... Oh gosh. Stop.
I'm capturing your last moments. Your true self. So that when you get back from mission, you're like, wow, was I really that weird? And
Life's a happy game.
like that. Oh my gosh, that was recorded. She just lit an air biscuit.
There it goes.
Grandpa Reed.
Nobody knows where it goes. Where are you sleeping?
Is this a joke?